Welcome back to the Insole store. In today's video, we're going to walk through the process of trimming your new trim-to-fit shoe insoles. If you want to jump to a specific part of this process, simply click the links in the description of this video. Before we start, let's talk about trim-to-fit insoles for a moment. Many over-the-counter insoles cover a range of shoe sizes rather than one specific shoe size. Depending on the brand, this might simply be a whole size and the next largest half size, or it might be a range that covers several different shoe sizes. You'll find that most over-the-counter insoles use this shoe size range method for sizing their insoles. Insoles like this are typically designed to be trimmed in order to fit into your specific shoe. For instance, if I were to wear a men's 8 and order this men's 8 to 8.5 size insole, the insole might be too long when I first take it out of the box. To get the right fit, I'll first need to trim the insole such that its shape and length more accurately fits my shoes. Even if I did wear a size 8.5, I still might need to trim the insole slightly to achieve the best shape to fit inside my individual shoe. This is because each shoe brand has a slightly different shape, so insoles may still need to be trimmed slightly to accommodate these different shapes, even if the length is correct. While this might seem like a hassle at first, it's really a straightforward process, and it also allows you great flexibility in ensuring that your insoles fit perfectly into your shoes. Now, I'll show you how to trim to fit your new insoles. You'll need your old shoe insoles to use as a template, the new shoe insoles that we'll be trimming, a pen or marker, and a sharp pair of scissors. The first thing we're going to do is remove your old insoles from the shoes that you plan to use the new insoles in. Next, we're going to place the new insoles on top of the old insoles. Line them up at the heels. Look to see if you can see any of the new insoles protruding from beneath the old insoles. If so, we're going to mark the edge of the old insoles on the new insoles. Removing the old insoles, we're now going to trim the new insoles along the line we just made. Try to make smooth cuts, and if you're going to err on one side of the line, err on the longer side. Remember, you can always trim a little more off the insole if it's still too long, but you can't add any back if you trim too much. Once your insoles have been trimmed, we're going to place them inside your shoes. It often helps to taco the forefoot of the insole to get them inside the shoe. Once they've been inserted, align the heel of the insole firmly against the heel of the shoe. Then try and feel around the toes to see if the insole is folded or buckled. If the insoles are buckling, remove them and trim just a little bit more of the insole, then retry. Repeat this until the insoles lay completely flat. That's all there is to it. Some trim-to-fit insoles will come pre-marked, showing where you should trim the insoles to fit a certain size shoe. However, we recommend not blindly trusting the pre-marked cut lines, and instead recommend that you follow the complete trim-to-fit process, including marking the outline of your old insoles on the new insoles. Remember, you want your new insoles to fit as closely as possible to the shape and size of your shoes. Using your old insoles as a guide is the best way to do this. If there's a discrepancy between your measurement using your old insoles versus what's shown on the bottom of the new insoles, use your old insoles as the guide. Some insoles cannot be trimmed. These are typically insoles where the edges of the insoles are stitched, or where the material cannot be easily cut. Before trimming your insoles, make sure that your insoles are designed to be trimmed. Check for stitching and gauge the material before you start cutting. In most cases, insoles are not designed to be moved between shoes. Rather, your insoles should be fit for one particular shoe and should be used in that shoe alone. Again, different brands and even different styles of shoes within a single brand have different shapes. Two shoes may be the same numerical shoe size, but one may have a slightly wider toe box, a slightly longer inside measurement, or a tighter instep. This means that an insole used in one shoe may not work as well in another, or in some cases, it might not work at all. We recommend always using one pair of shoes per pair of insoles. Moving your insoles between different pairs of shoes generally doesn't work that well. We hope you found this guide helpful. If so, please like the video by clicking the thumbs up button. We'd greatly appreciate it. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or visit us at theinsolestore.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.